so we're going to get started with fractions. Unit 7, chapter 8. And in our first lesson, we're going to talk about new vocabulary to get prepared for learning more about fractions. So when we discuss fractions, we want to know what a whole is. Right? A whole is all of the parts of one shape or group. So if you're ordering a pizza, when you order a pizza, you get one whole pizza. All right, but that pizza might be cut up into slices. Those slices create the whole. Equal parts are all exactly the same size. Going back to that pizza again, hopefully anyway, your pizza is cut up into 8 slices. Each slice is about the same size. It's exactly the same size. That's the goal. So let's take a look at what we have, right? So how many parts are in the square? Right? Now as I look at that's just one part, it's one big square. But if I draw a line through it, how many different parts are there now? Right? We know two. We call each part a half or 2 halves. So 2 halves make this whole square. How many parts are there in this square? Okay, we know that when we look at the square, there's 3 different parts. We call each part a third, or the whole shape is 3/3. 1, 2, 3, 3 parts. Each part is a third. How many parts are there in the square? 4. Correct, 4. Just counting the parts. And we happen to call each part a fourth, or the whole shape 4/4. How many parts are here? Well, counting them out, you'll end up being 6. And we call those, each part is called a sixth, or the whole shape has 6 sixths in it. And finally, for our 3rd grade, we get all the way up to this last amount of parts. How many parts are here? We know that there is, as we count them, there's 8. And we call each part an eighth. So each part is an eighth, or the whole shape 8/8. So this is basically what we just discussed. If you're able to pause the video, I paused it. Remember, write these down as great reminders as what they look like, what they're called. Remember, they don't have to be in this shape. All right, but if you see a shape that's broken into 6 equal parts, those are going to be sixths. Okay, so just remember, it does not matter what the shape is. If the parts are broken up equally and take up all the same space, you can make fractions. So now we're going to give it a try. All right. So try to name how many parts are in each whole and what the parts are called before being shown. So how many parts do we see here? Hopefully you realize there's 2 parts, and we call those halves. Going to our next shape, very quickly, if you count it out, we have 4 parts, and we call those fourths. So here now, another thing to remember is, for this, now we remember that fractions have equal parts. Think, are these equal or unequal parts? When I look at the shape right here, I know that is unequal. We can see the difference. Here we can see they are equal sizes right here. And on this last shape right over here, we can tell that those are equal as well. So for practice, I sent you a Google Doc, and we're going to ask you to complete that. Right? Make sure to make a copy of the doc and share it with your teacher. All right, those directions will be on your doc as well.